Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Thảo Nhi.
How old are you?
I'm 7.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Can you talk about the sea animals?
I see
There
a
is.
sinh
There is a dolphin.
sao Việt. There is a saw
Whale.
quail. There is a rat.
Good.
There is a lam Việt. There is a
Sea.
single. There is a
Star.
sausage. There is a castle. There is saw. There is a single. Single. There is a octopus.
Good. Okay. What color is the crab? What color?
Red.
Blue, or green?
Red.
What color is the turtle?
Green.
Green. Okay. What color is the clownfish?
Blue.
Okay. Now look at the board. How many turtles?
I see a two turtles.
How many octopuses?
I see two octopus.
How many starfish?
I see a two
You see two
two
starfish.
starfish.